To need a tape measure, cutting shears, and I personally like to just use 2 needles that are already threaded, just to make the process a lot easier. You're going to take your elastic band like this, and what you're going to do is measure from ear to ear, right across the nape area. So you're going to take the end of the elastic and go right behind your ear and hold it very taut. Hold it very tight, okay? And you're going to apply a lot of tension. You're going to pull this elastic. And when I mean pull, you're going to pull it like this. You're going to pull it, okay? You're going to put it behind your ear. You're going to pull it as tight as you can. As tight as you can. And place it right behind the other ear. That's how much we should be cutting off. Once you install this, that's where it's going to pull and lay flat on your head. Just like that. Take your measuring tape, and we're going to be using inches. You're going to measure from ear to ear as well. Mine is right exactly at 9 inches. You're going to measure out 9 inches on your elastic, and make sure you hold it very naturally. You don't pull it, don't apply any tension to this, okay? Make sure you hold that spot. So this is 9 inches. You're going to go in and take about 2 to 4 inches. 2 to 4 inches is going to ensure that it sits very flat and very tight on your head. Now, 2 to 4 inches is a lot, depending on your comfort level. I'm going to take off about 3.5 inches. I'm not going to do the 4. 2 to 4 inches. If you do about 2 inches, it's going to fit comfortably. Whereas 4 inches is going to stick flat to your head. You hear me? So I'm going to take off about 3.5 inches. I'm going to go ahead and measure the 9. So here's the 9 inches. Now I'm going to go 1 inch, which is 8, 2 inch, which is 7, 3 inch, which is about 6 inches, half. So 3.5 inches. Now if you want to do the full 4, you'll be at 5 inches. I'm going to go at about a half, which is right here. So that is where I'm going to go ahead and cut. This looks very, very short, but you see how much you get when you stretch it out. Put my wig on so I can see how it fits me. So I'm going to feel right where the tip of my ear start, okay? So right where this ear, tip of your ear is, that's where you're going to apply that elastic. The tip of the ear for me is right here, which is perfect because that's exactly where that lace stops, and it's going to make this lace lay so flat. Now how I'm going to apply this elastic here is the same way. When you guys look at this wig, you can see circle. You're going to apply this elastic the same way, just like this. See how it's curved in like that? You're going to apply it just like that. So this will hug the nape of your head, okay? I'm going to line up that point here where the top of my ear starts. I'm going to go in with my needle and thread and sew it down. Make sure you knot the end of your thread so that the thread will stay. It's very important. Okay, let's go in. I'm going to take this in here, so it's like that. This is why I like to have another needle, so that you can just go right ahead and you don't have to thread another one and wait for it and all that stuff. So now we're going into the second part. Now I did take off a lot of inches. Feel free to do it towards whatever's comfortable for you. I've done this many of times, so I'm very comfortable with how much I take off and put on with these elastic bands. So you're going to try on your wig, pull the elastic band back here, and that's very tight. I like that, yes. Okay? And then you're going to pull the rest of this wig back. Now because this elastic is so tight back here, what I'm going to do is adjust the wig to match it, so that it lays flat on my nape as well. You're going to put it on like that. You're going to pull this as well. I'm not going to cut the lace off of this yet because I'm going to work on the hairline for a little bit. Turn around so you can see me pull this up. You can see the wig is lying flat back here. Very flat on the sides as well as the top here. That's pretty much how I install my elastic band to my wigs. Very simple, very easy. If you guys have any questions, always leave it below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. I love you. Bye. Here